The first step in assembling your Berkey water filtration system is assembling the lid. In today's example, I'm going to assemble a crown Berkey lid. It's usually at the top of the box, and it's got this nice protective cover on it because you don't want to scratch up the stainless steel. So you have the lid, and you'll find in the accessories a little baggie, and it'll have blocking plugs, and here is the knob that goes on right here. So you just take the knob out of the bag, and you can see it's got a screw and a washer. You can undo this by hand, not a problem at all. And all you do, well, you can see that you can use either a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver. So all you do is turn this over, put the washer and the screw right there. Turn it back over, I'm holding it with my finger, and then I'm just going to hand tighten this. Okay. I mean, it's basically ready to go. So if you wanted to, you could really tighten it a little bit. And that is it. How long did that take me? Was it like 15 seconds or less? It is so easy to assemble a Berkey water filter lid.